Okay, so after you finish the installation for the machine, so we need to start to load the ink from ink tank to the print head. So first we power on the general power for the machine. Then we power on the general power, top power for the Epson printer. When it's ready, then go to this step. We need to use the Epson default function to pump the ink from the 那边，墨水不是墨水那边。So we need to use the Epson pump to pump the ink from the ink cartridge to the print head surface to the print head. So how to put the ink from here to here? We need to go to the Epson touch screen. So first, we press menu, then we go to find out the test. We go find by the down button to find out the maintenance. Then we go to power cleaning. Press menu. And go to 应该是上面那个吧，就这个。Then we go to press the middle button to start. 要不要按下？按下就做。让它做吧。Okay, so press apply. So this start power cleaning. So after press, the machine where the printer will be start to pump the ink automatically from the ink tank to the print head. So you don't need to load the ink by the injection from the ink damper because this machine is use air pressure system. 它会显示进度吧？会不会显示进度？不会。开机检测时，我们把那个初始那个状态放上去。This operation will be cost about several minutes. About 4 to 7 minutes. This is only used for you are the first attempt to put the ink to the cartridge, to the tank. So you need to load the ink from the ink tank to the print head, and also use the for when you print head it get heavy clog. So you need to use the power cleaning to flush the nozzle out to make the nozzle jet without clog. If your print head is working well, so you don't recommend you to use power cleaning because the power cleaning will cause a loss of ink. 等待。
稍微等一下，力量不闪，它就结束。
Okay, so when the machine, the screen is show ready, so that means the ink load is finished, so we can do a test, nozzle test printing. So we just put the paper on the edge.
不能放这儿，你先进去，把屏幕进去。
We just put the flat bed to the end. Okay, 然后呢？
标准给到那个纸上，纸这个台板小。
Then we put the paper on the flat bed at the edge, like this position. Then we go to the nozzle check. First press menu. Then go to test print, and then press menu again, and then go to nozzle check, the menu print, middle, and then we start automatic printing. 预备打印好的测试页。这样。
不是，它应该竖着啊，对，这样。
Okay, then we go to the print out quality to see if 这是白色，对吧？
两个白色，这两个白色。
Here is black nozzle, and 2 is for white. Black and white, cyan, magenta, white, yellow, and we can see all the nozzle lines is clear. Don't have any lack of lines not straight or lines not full. So if the line is not full, we need to do the head cleaning solution. We need to do the head cleaning again and make sure all the nozzle is printed like this. And also you can, because this is the wet paper, so you cannot see the wet ink printing quality. So you need to print on black paper or put it on the transparent glass to see the wet ink print out result. Okay, for example, this print quality is not good and the line is not full, then we go to cleaning. Yeah, 偏到清洗是吧？ Then we go to clean the print head and press menu
3秒。
3 seconds. Here, from A to A by 3 seconds, so it will start automatic head clean.
第一次这个导墨一般导2到3个，
看到这个，
就刚才做那个导墨，
嗯
一般是2到3个。
嗯。And then after head cleaning is finished, then we print another check again. And make sure all the nozzle is printed out like this. Then you can start printing. If the printer lines will not print straight or not full, so we need to use the head cleaning. We go to head cleaning by this button, or we do power cleaning. And also, if you are the first attempt to load the ink, you need to do the power cleaning by 3 to 4 times, because by one time it's not enough. They still have some air at the tube and at the ink damper, so we need to do the head cleaning by power cleaning 4 times or 5 times to put the ink from the ink in the tank to the ink print head. This only used for you are the first attempt to put the ink. Here for the rip, we must pay attention to that the feeding type must be as low feed. If you choose standard, so the print will be not printing, will be have some error. So must be print as low feed. And also the speed, we recommend you to use by unidirection, because by bidirection the speed is fast but the quality is not good. Okay, when the machine is ready, you can do a test, not the test, not the check print again. If the print out is still not good, so you just do the head cleaning for several times and do the not check again. Be sure all the print out quality is like this.